Assalamu alaikum viewers, Vidya Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, today I will teach you how to record and edit vocals in Cubase just in a few minutes. So let's get started. Add new audio track here and record your vocal. Now, in your city, Doctor's Cafe, powered by Pomodoro Cafe, coming soon. Okay, now add one effect track and select the effect Nectar 3. You can download it for free and the download link is in description. And now select and add track. And listen this recorded vocal. Now in your city, Doctor's Cafe, powered by Pomodoro Cafe, coming soon. Okay, now go to plugin presets and go to voiceover and dialogue and select here radio commercial mail. You can also select any other preset. Now select this audio track and change the outputting rule FX Nectar 3. Okay, now listen it again. Now in your city, Doctor's Cafe, powered by Pomodoro Cafe, coming soon. Okay guys, so it was today's video and like, comment and share and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.